13 Survival Gears and Tools You Should Know About. Survival kits are not only for the outdoors person, the prepper, and the like, but are also in stock for people willing to be ready for things they may not expect to happen. Whether you are hiking, engaging in outdoor activities, or just getting ready for the worst, the right equipment can either make your day or ruin it. From high-tech and high-performance filters to lightweight, multifunctional units that enhance your safety margin, all of these devices and tools are necessities for outdoor professionals and anyone who desires to be ready for the wild scenarios. So, let's get into specifics of each life-saving gear. Greeshow Outdoor Water Purifier. Clean water for drinking is critical for survival, but in the wild it is not easily accessible. The Greeshow Outdoor Water Purifier is a small and powerful device that is intended to provide you with clean drinking water anywhere you may be located. This portable purifier utilizes advanced filtration technology to remove harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from water sources like rivers, lakes, and streams. Its lightness version, which allows to carry it easily, and the easy-to-grasp for a user interface allows to not only expert operators, but also beginners to easily manage it without no problem whatsoever. The thing that distinguishes the Greeshow purifier is the extremely long-lasting filter that can serve many thousands of liters before the filter needs to be changed. Sharpel 101N. Sharp working edge is unavoidable in the context of survival. The Sharpel 101N is a versatile sharpening instrument that guarantees that your knives, scissors, and similar bladed tools stay razor sharp all the time. Compact and portable, this sharpener features a durable ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use even in the most challenging environments. The Sharpel 101N is equipped with 5 sharpening functions, including carbide and ceramic blades for quick edge setting and fine honing. It also is equipped with a built-in fire starter and emergency whistle, so it is a powerful all-in-one tool ideal for survival. Because of its robust design, it is able to bear even extreme environments, from the depths of the rainforest to the challenges of the toughest fields. Ofar F4580 Military Compass. Navigation is a vital tool when in unknown areas, and the Ofar F4580 Military Compass is your stable specialist. Accuracy and reliability making this a compass designed to take all kinds of extreme environments, rain, heat, even rough usage. Because of its clarity and readability, your reading is precise, and your device is capable of giving you a way through even the thickest of woods or steep hills. This type of compass is a surveyor's grade and has a luminous dial, so you may use it to navigate at night or with limited lighting. The foldable design and protective casing make it compact and easy to carry, while the adjustable sighting lens ensures pinpoint accuracy. Recon 6 Watch. The Recon 6 Watch is not your average timepiece. It's a survival tool packed with features designed to keep you safe and prepared. Made with military-grade materials, this watch is waterproof, shockproof, and extremely durable, and is thus well-suited for environments of harsh conditions. Apart from reading time, it itself includes a built-in compasses, thermometer, and barometer, which provides important data at a single blink. Another of the unique features of the Recon 6 watch is SOS signaling. Equipped with features to generate both light signals and loud noises, this wearable watch has the capability of attracting immediate attention in emergencies, thus enhancing the odds of being rescued. It also features a strong nylon band that will both provide comfort and longevity even for prolonged use under adverse circumstances. The Recon 6 watch is a practical tool. It's a watch that you can use but is true to itself. It's meant to endure, and it's there to keep you prepared and informed. Chaos Bowie. A good survival knife is indispensable, and the Chaos Bowie takes it to the next level. This thick-set blade is intended for cutting and breaking, and for defending oneself against attacks, so it's a must-have for all survivalists. Blade is made of high-grade stainless steel, which is durable and rust-free, and the ergonomic handle can be gripped firmly, which is good for control. The Chaos Bowie is not just a knife. It's a multi-purpose tool capable of handling everything from preparing food to building shelters. Because of its sharp edge and solid construction, it can be a dependable option for wood splitting, brush clearing, or wilderness toolmaking. Kinetic Series Spears. The Kinetic Series Spears are a versatile and innovative addition to any survival kit. These light but robust spears are purpose-built for hunting, fishing, and personal protection, as a reliable tool with which to acquire food or defend against potential predation in the wild. They are constructed from high-quality materials that are robust to tough use, yet easily transportable and deployable. Another interesting characteristic of Kinetic Series spears is its modular nature, i.e. that they can be fitted to different handles or poles for reinforcement and long reach. This versatility makes them a valuable asset in various situations, from fishing in a river to counteracting animals. Whitsunday Camping Tripod. Cooking in the wilderness can be a challenge, but the Whitsunday Camping Tripod makes it significantly easier. This portable, folding tripod is intended to support cookware above a campfire and for outdoor food preparation. It is a dream device. Its strong aluminum build gives it a resilient form whilst being very small and portable for the ease of carrying it all in your camping equipment. Fitting the Whitsunday Camping Tripod is easy even for an idiot. Feature, and then you can raise or lower the pot or pan using the handle, and you thus achieve the best possible heat distribution for preparing all kinds of dishes. Whether you're boiling water, frying food, or making a hearty stew, this tripod provides a stable and reliable platform that takes the hassle out of outdoor cooking. Yashica Vision. In the case of dense traffic, the Yashica Vision offers superior optical clarity in poor light environments. This compact night vision monocular uses advanced infrared technology to help you see in the dark, making it an essential tool for nighttime navigation, wildlife observation, or security. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's as comfortable to use even for a long time. And the tough housing effectively safeguards against harsh weather. The Yashica Vision is not only for, but includes video and still capture, hence enabling you to easily record your environment. Regardless of camping under the canopy of the night sky, or traversing deep woods at night, this monocular continues to guide your awareness toward what's around you, while remaining inconspicuous. Guard Dog Air Horn. Having safety in the wilderness is not a matter of just tool's planetary protection. It's also based on being heard when it counts. The Guard Dog Air Horn is a compact yet powerful device, designed to emit loud, piercing sounds that can signal for help or deter potential threats. Because of its portable structure and one-touch operation, this air horn is a must-have tool for any survival kit. The high-volume soundscape produced by the Guard Dog Air Horn is able to penetrate thick canopy, windy terrain, and high-populated areas, providing a likely loud enough sound to carry a distressed caller an appreciable distance. Thanks to its canister construction design, it can be used multiple times, so it provides a reliable solution for long journeys or emergency situations. Fenix LR50R Flashlight. A good flashlight is an essential part of any survival kit, and the Fenix LR50R flashlight is a prime example of being dependable in any situation. With an ultra-bright beam capable of illuminating vast distances, this flashlight ensures that darkness is never an obstacle. Due to its rugged design and water-resistant build, it is suitable for extreme environments, while its rechargeable battery provides endurance. The Fenix LR50R doesn't just offer brightness, it provides versatility. It has several light modes, including a strobe mode for signaling and a power-saving mode that saves power. Xop Vanish Treestand. To hunters and wildlife watchers, the Xop Vanish Treestand is revolutionary. This lightweight, portable tree stand is designed to provide a stable and comfortable platform for elevated observation or shooting. Due to its durable aluminum makes construction, no additional weight is added. Meanwhile, because of its compact design, it can be easily carried and set up. The Xop Vanish Treestand features a unique seat and platform combination that enhances both comfort and functionality. The stand's novel fastening mechanism allows it to be firmly attached to the trunk, serving as a stable perch for prolonged stays. Cellvol XL. In the wild, it can be a challenge to keep tiny items dry and contained, but the Cellvol XL offers a clever solution. This waterproof storage container is designed to protect items like batteries, matches, medications, and other survival necessities from water and dirt. Its tough build and secure seal guarantee that your gear is protected and operable, whatever the weather. Because of its slim and compact design, the Cellvol XL is easy to take in your backpack or attach it to your gear thanks to the integrated clip. Its transparent body enables you to identify contents very easily, thus reducing manual searching in a life or death situation. The container is also crush-tolerant, assuring scratch-free handling of your goods, even under harsh conditions or under very tough conditions. Loop Gear. The Loop Gear system is a new invention for making survival tools easier to carry and to store. This powerful modular gear system enables you to mount, demount, and redesign items such as knives, flashlights, and multi-tools upon a customizable base. Its robust straps and secure tightening means the equipment does not slip out even in harsh environments. Loop Gear is designed with convenience in mind. It also removes the need to rummage at the bottom of a backpack and keep them ready to grab and go. Adjustable layout is compatible with a large range of equipment, which is capable of being used in outdoor activities, emergency situation, and for daily purposes. This system isn't just about organization, it's about efficiency. If all your tools are in your direct vicinity, you are able to react easily to disasters or casual trouble.